Welcome back everyone to Flix It Yourself. I'm here upstate and I figured we're checking out a leak over here with the air condition, so I figured we'll show this week's FIY over here. So a lot of people have in the city, in different areas, they have the window air condition or the wall air condition, and what happens is it leaks out from over here, and if it's in front of an entrance or in the city it's on top of someone's porch or something, it leaks in that person's porch and people get very angry. So I found this on Amazon. It's very easy to assemble. It comes like $15 or something. I'll share the link. You just put on the pipe over here and you tighten it like this. And then you take this part over here, put it into the air condition, and simple like this. Turn it, put it in, and you turn it like this. And then you could just put it in like this and let it go out like this. The dripping over here stops right away, and we redirect it over here. Now there's a second idea for if you don't have such a hole, or it's a different area, if you don't have proper access. Let me show you. Now the second idea is also very cool. Let me show you how it works. It works with a magnet. Very cool. So basically this has a lot of magnets over here. All you need to do is force on the pipe like this. Open it up later. Just open it up later. But let's say it leaks from over here. It just has a strong magnet. You put it up like this, and then you could redirect the pipe wherever you want. The same thing is over here, if it's over here. So it's very easy if you don't have proper access. It's, let's say, in an apartment building and you have it on top of the window or something. All you need to do is get it just where it's leaking from. You always want to check where is it leaking from, which part it's leaking from. Over here, it's leaking from over here. But let's say it's leaking over here, like this, and you redirect the pipe. I'll share both the links. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful week.